David, are you ready for your first hunt, man?
Yeah, I'm pretty excited.
What is that thing you got there?
This is my grandpa's old rifle.
David, you are not going to be able to smash anything with that little tiny old rifle. You need what I got right here, a little customized AK Nano 9000.
Oh yeah!
Jim, you need to quit jumping around steering all the animals.
Hey,
Got
Jim.
me, Nick!
How you doing, Jim?
I'm good, dude. Come on, go get it.
All right, hang on a second here, hang on. Come back here, we need a plan. You can't just be running around like crazy.
What are we even here? What are we gonna shoot?
David, you just walk around that way. Try not to scare anything. Jim, you go around that way. Try not to shoot yourself in the foot. I'm gonna go right down here where all the big nasty animals are and I'm gonna smash me something. All right?
Don't need to get eaten by the bear.
I'm gonna go over by the freeway.
Get off in the afternoon here today.
Did I hear a gunshot, man?
Yeah, I got one, man.
Oh, man. Oh, man. Check this sucker out. Give me some. Oh, man.
All right.
My first deer.
Good shot, man. Hey, let me get one.
Oh! Everybody take a shot.
That thing's still moving.
Jim, good shot, man. Good shot, man. Man, I'll tell you what, David, this should be your job, man, but I know you're pretty tired and all, but should be your job.
My legs are tired.
Yeah, I know what you mean, man. I thought I got a deer, but I got deer nothing.
Go, 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 shorty. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. You'll find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Look, mommy, I got the X. I'm getting into taking drugs. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, get into getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Look, mommy, I got...
Gotta get boom boom boom. Gotta get that 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 boom boom boom. That boom boom boom. That boom boom boom. Yo, I got that hit to beat the block. You can get that bass on below. I got that rock and roll, that future flow, that digital spit, next level visual shit. I got that boom boom boom. How to beat bang.
I like that boom boom pow. Them chickens jacking my style. They try to copy my swagger. I'm on that next shit now. I'm sold 3008. You sold 2000 and late. I got that boom boom boom. That future boom boom boom. Let me get it now.
Boom boom boom. Gotta get that 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 boom boom boom. That boom boom boom. That boom boom boom.
I'm on that supersonic boom, y'all hear that spaceship zoom. When I step inside the room, them girls go ape shit. Y'all stuck on super 8 shit, that lo-fi stupid 8-bit. I'm on that HD flat, this beat go boom boom bap. I'm a beast when you turn me on. Into the future, Cybertron. Harder, faster, better, stronger. Sexy ladies, extra longer. Cause we got to beat that bounce. We got to beat that pound. We got to beat that 808, that boom boom in your town.
I'm through with standing in line. The clubs I'll never get in. It's like the bottom of the ninth, and I'm never gonna win this. Life hasn't turned out quite the way I want it to be.
Tell me what you want.
I want a brand new house on an episode of Cribs, and a bathroom I can play baseball in, and a king-size tub big enough for 10 plus me.
So what you need?
I'll need a credit card that's got no limit, and a big black jet with a bedroom in it. Gonna join the Mile High Club at 37,000 feet.
Been done that.
I want a new tour bus full of old guitars, Mount Star on Hollywood Boulevard. Somewhere between Cher and James Dean is fine for me.
So how you gonna do it?
I'm gonna trade this life for fortune and fame. I'd even cut my hair and change my name. Cause we all just wanna be big rock stars and live in hilltop bosses, driving 15 cars. The girls come easy and the drugs come cheap. Well, I'll stay skinny cause we just won't eat, and we'll hang out in the coolest bars and the VIP with the movie stars. Every good gold digger's gonna wind up there. Every playboy bunny with a bleached blonde hair. And well, hey, hey, I wanna be a rock star. Hey, hey, I wanna be a rock star. I wanna be great like Elvis without the tassels. Hire 8 bodyguards that love to beat up assholes. Sign a couple autographs so I can eat my meals for free.
I have the quesadilla.
I'm gonna dress my ass with the latest fashion, get a front door key to the Playboy Mansion. Gonna date a Santa phone that loves to blow my money for me.
So how you gonna do it?
I'm gonna trade this life for fortune and fame. I'd even cut my hair and change my name. Cause we